Hi, welcome to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. I'm Lisa from Beautiful You Wig Reviews, and I'm excited to be bringing a wig review to this channel today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel because there is so much great information here on this channel, and I don't want you to miss it. Also, Wig Studio One has a really great private Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and I invite you to come and join that as well. So today we're going to take a look at a new style from the Gabor designer series. This is Full Finesse, and the color on this one is GF 924SS Iced Cafe Latte. So Full Finesse, as you can see, it's not a super long wig. It's got some length, which is going to make it fun for styling. And there are really pretty layers that cascade down here. Longer layers here on the sides, but there is a shorter layer right here that is a long bang. And I think if you wanted to shorten that, you could if you wanted to get more forehead coverage for that bang. But just really, really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful style. So this one has an extended lace front. It's going to extend all the way down to here. And then it has this wide mono part. It's in the middle, but the edges of the monofilament are right here. So you can see that you have all this space in here. If you want to get more of a side part, I think you could do that. I stuck with the middle part just because that's how it's going to come out of the box. It was zigzagged in the middle. But just know that if you want to go a little left of center or a little right of center, you would probably need to use your heat tools, but you are able to do that, which is nice. And then I've got great coverage at the ear tabs as well, as you can see. So this one is an average size cap, and it's very much fitting on my petite head like an average. It's just a little bit long from ear to ear, but the nice thing about that is it's giving me really, really good coverage, which I like. And then a little bit big from forehead to nape, which I would expect because I have petite measurements. Definitely not a deal breaker with my petite measurements. I would just put some adhesive at my lace front or use a wig grip to help secure the wig. But the nice thing is I think this will accommodate a lot of head sizes because there's definitely some extra room back here in the cap. And I could bring in the Velcro adjusters as well. Okay, so here are the measurements. We have 5.75 inches on the bang, 13 inches from the crown. The nape is 10 inches. The sides are 12 inches, and there's a 12-inch measurement here in the back. The weight is 5.74 ounces. So I'll take it off and I'll show you this wide mono part. So that's nice. I mean, that's to me like almost like a mini full mono top. So really nice wide space there, allowing you to part within that monofilament area. I'm not feeling permatease. This is just closed lace around here. And then here's the extended lace front, giving you that beautiful hairline, soft ear tabs, open wefted cap. I did pull a little hair through there, I see. Extended nape with Velcro adjusters. And these are the True to Life heat-friendly fibers. Look at this beautiful color. So this is GF 924SS, which is shaded Iced Cafe Latte. This is one of my favorite colors by Gabor, and this is of course True to Life, which is the same colors that Raquel Welch has. One of my favorites. It's a beautiful brunette that just has some highlights and a little bit darker root. And it's just a really, really pretty color to use if you want to just lighten up. If you're wearing brunettes and you want to lighten up a little bit, or if you're wearing blondes and you want to go a little bit darker but not commit to full brunette, it's a really great color for that. So the description is that it is a dark brown that is shaded with a golden brown or a golden blonde. So here's the root color. And you'll see the root anywhere you separate the hair. So if you're styling the hair up, you'll see the root color. You can see it a little bit at the ear tabs, but they do put that light color mostly at the lace front, which is nice. Iced Cafe Latte in window light. So you can see the rooting there. There's the lace. You can see this beautiful combination of brunette with the blonde highlight. I would consider this to be a warm color. Even though it's in their iced category, neutral to warm, because there is golden, brown in it. So here's the color under my covered patio. And it's overcast, so I'm just going to step right out into the light here. Here's the root. So I'll show you what those ear tabs look like. You can tuck the hair behind the ear, and then that's what your glasses are going to look like. Let me tuck this side, and then ear tabs are just slightly long on me, like I said, so it's a little challenging to tuck. Okay. Then you can put the glasses up on your head, no problem. You could put a headband in, and that headband would hold back those bangs, or you can pull those out if you want to. And if you can add curl to this, so you can curl those a little more. They would definitely need to be cut, shortened a little bit if you wanted more forehead coverage. And then she will go half up, half down. And into a ponytail, an updo, things like that as well. Super cute. So very, very pretty new style for Gabor. I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending this wig for me to review for the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. There'll be purchase information in the description box down below the video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.